Hello, my name is Ben Aquino. I'm the UK Business Development Manager for John Crane. I have responsibility for a team of senior engineers and I'm an active member of John Crane's midstream community. All pipeline operators have the same primary need, which is reliability. In 2017, John Crane launched the extremely successful and unique Type 8648 VRS crude seal in North America. This utilises a unique non-pusher secondary seal concept, or NPSS, and the added reliability it's delivered when used on BB-style pumps has been well accepted. Operators readily recognise the problems these pumps give with shuttling and abrasive wear to the conventional pusher seal. Our partner clients are reporting extended seal life of 3 times out of other solutions, so it became important to John Crane that we applied this same reliable solution in both dual unpressurized and dual pressurized arrangement. We know that some customers automatically default to dual pressurized seals for many pipeline duties. Hence, the NPSS concept must be available to allow reverse pressure capability to make the design suitable for the inboard dual seal requirements. There are a number of reasons why a dual pressurized seal would be selected above a single or dual unpressurized, such as in some parts of the world where regulation of safety and environmental concerns become the key drivers. Even a minor spill can have disastrous consequences for the ecosystem, but also the operator and industry as a whole can be impacted. Other reasons can include difficult applications where the process fluid has a high concentration of contaminants and effective cleaning isn't possible. We are also conscious that operators continue to evaluate the ability to pump multiple liquids via the same pipeline. Here, dual pressurized assemblies allow for the seal faces to be isolated from the process liquid and thus maintain reliable performance across all pumped fluid conditions. We will continue to work with our partner clients and make sure they can apply our proven solution to both new and existing needs. When it becomes difficult to run dual pressurized sealing systems due to very remote pumping locations, an alternative safety environmental measure could be the use of a containment seal. In 2019, we introduced the Type 8628 VSC non-contacting containment seal, and at the same time as we launched the Type 8648 VRS dual pressurized seal, we will also introduce the Type 8648 SC dry running containment seal. The dry running containment seal option is ideal for remote or unmanned pumping stations, where leakage containment is essential but a seal support system impractical. It's great news that we have a full portfolio of pipeline seals, all utilising the NPSS. But the exciting part is being able to work with each operator, understand their unique requirements, and be able to offer the same proven technology regardless of their operator methodology. John Crane is uniquely positioned against other suppliers. We have an extensive global service footprint with proximity to our customer base. All our pipeline products are branch serviceable, and we have a vast resource network of experienced and talented people ready to support in any given situation. So, if you have an ongoing issue, are looking to reduce your pipeline maintenance costs, or want to safeguard the environment, we can help. Our customers are the ones informing us pumps installed with John Crane NPSS equipped seals are by far the most reliable, and their name is how we make ours.